According to World Bank statistics, remittance inflows exceeded about $601 billion for 2015 alone. Kenya received about $1.5 billion. It translates to about 6% of Kenya's GDP.
If you look at the budget for the Kenyan government now, diaspora remittances has actually been put in as a budget item.
Most of these immigrants, what takes them to first world countries, they are looking for an opportunity. Once they get to those countries, they become the lifeline of their families back home in Kenya.
SawaPay is really a solution that is coming to solve the challenge faced by individuals trying to send money back home. One is the cost. Secondly is if it's an emergency, you need the money there and then. The last one is the money sometimes didn't get to the intended recipient.
We decided to think about developing an innovative solution that could be able to solve most of these challenges.
Dimension Data is a solid partner for us. And one of the reasons is we're a fintech company. We're not a data center company.
Digital is driving economies. A good example is the mobile wallet. A very popular one is M-Pesa. Our solution leverages on these mobile wallets, such that a guy who is sending money from the United States to their parents back home in a village in Kisii, they can be able to do that in the span of a minute, and their parents back home in that local village receive a text message. Also leveraging on the network of some of these telcos, they are able to cash that money instantly, or they are able to pay whatever bill they wanted to pay.
And what we've done is create a very simple three-step method in terms of registering, accepting payment, and sending to recipient. And we were looking at what is the easiest way for us to scale up without having to incur costs. We are basing our transactions mostly from the US. There are certain compliance requirements in terms of how do you store data, where do you store data, how do you back up your data?
That was number one key selling point for Dimension Data, in terms of being able to actually know that this server is physically here in the US. By that, we will have been able to abide by the regulations of data sovereignty. We have employed high-tech security in collaboration with Dimension Data Cloud, which we employ PCI standards for transmitting financial data. We have managed to deploy encryption technology on the cloud services that pertain to storage of private data. The solution has been very scalable in terms of expanding requirements. It's flash of a second. We haven't had any downtime.
When you look at a company like ours, we thrive on being able to offer what the market is not offering. And so technology for us is an enabler. Innovation for us is the only way that we will survive this space. And we need a partner who can be able to quickly integrate new features, new systems.
Dimension Data, yes, has given us the wings to achieve our vision.
Dimension Data, what they've done for us is really enable us to do that, to do the innovation, the thinking. And now we will continue to just expand our partnerships in order to grow more.